Empirical formula and molecular formula. Empirical formula is the relative number of atoms. Molecular formula is the exact number of atoms in one word. The formula which represents the simple ratio of atoms of different elements in one molecule of the substance is called empirical formula. The formula which represents the simple ratio. If the formula representing the exact number of atoms, the formula which represents the exact number of atoms of each element present in one molecule of the compound is called molecular formula. Simple ratio, empirical formula. Exact number is called molecular formula. So you can say molecular formula is equals to empirical formula into n. How to find n? Where n is molecular weight by empirical formula weight. We'll discuss with some examples. N is equals to molecular weight by empirical formula weight. And sometimes they will give you the vapor density also. Vapor density into 2 is equals to molecular weight. Already we were discussing about this. 2 into vapor density is molecular weight. Sometimes they will be giving you the density. Molecular weight is equals to 22.4 into density at STP. Remember this formula. Molecular weight is equals to 22.4 into density at STP or 2 into vapor density. What type of questions can be asked? See, for example, you have glucose. Glucose molecular formula is C6H12O6. So the simple ratio is 6, 12, 6. All these can be divided by CH2O is the simplest formula. All this can be divided by 6. Carbon number will come 1, hydrogen's number will come 2 and oxygen number will come 1. So the empirical formula is CH2O for glucose. So here N is 6. That means when you are multiplying the empirical formula CH2O with 6, you will be getting their glucose molecular formula. See the next example. Ethane C2H6. So the empirical formula is 1 and 3. CH3 simple ratio. N is equals to 2. Ethyne C2H2 2 and 2. So ratio is simple 1 and 1. Ethene C2H4 simplest formula CH2. So this is 2. And benzene you can take C6H6. So simple formula HCH, and it can be get by multiplying with 6. Benzene C6H6, empirical formula is CH. But sometimes the empirical formula and molecular formula will be same. For example, methane CH4. So its empirical formula is also CH4 only. Here N value is 1. So glucose empirical formula CH2O. Ethane empirical formula CH3. Ethyne and benzene both are having same empirical formula. So this is about the empirical formula and molecular formula. See, CH3 is empirical formula. Molecular weight is 30. What is molecular formula? This kind of questions will come. CH3 means 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. This is empirical formula weight. As we were discussing, N is equals to molecular weight by empirical formula weight. Molecular weight is 30, empirical formula is 15. So this is 2. Molecular weight by empirical formula weight is equals to 30 by 15 is equals to 2. Means the molecular formula is CH3 taken twice. It is C2H6.